Si Pipito yan. That's the smile, the perfect smile, and the twinkling of the eyes. You see that? Perfect. What a smile.
No, this is
Okay?
saying goodbye.
Okay. Goodbye, Pipito. Here comes Oka. Welcome, Oka. Well, I'm a friend. We're from same place. You see my hat? What's this hat? Fitting. See? That's enough for now. Goodbye. Enjoy my music. My smile. Very humorous. Funny boy. Funny boy.